Hi guys. So excuse the fact that I'm in my office and I have an ironing board in the background. I'm currently working on a sewing project. So I have my ironing board and everything. But today I am coming with you with not only this month's IPSY that I have not opened up. I totally forgot that I got this in the mail. But I got my BoxyCharm, which I got last night, and you know what? I need to open it. I need to open it. So maybe because I'm most excited about my BoxyCharm, I'm going to open my IPSY first. So this is for the month of January. I have not been on YouTube. I have not done anything. I have videos that I've started to shoot and just not finished. I've just been so busy. Like, has anybody tried to sell a house and like get their house ready? It's a lot of work. And then my daughters start back at lacrosse and they were on winter break, and it's just like, life gets in the way. I'm sorry about that. So here it is. This is this month's IPSY. How cute is this freaking bag? Oh, I love the texture of it. Oh, there you go. Now you can see it. I love the texture of this. It's got this like neon canvasy type pink and neon stripe, and then this is like a meshy material. Ooh, I just want to touch it. That's really good. It kind of reminds me of like one of those pot scrubber sponges. I like that. So anyways, let's see what we got. Is there anything inside of it? Nope, nothing inside the envelope. So let's see what we got. Okay, so the card says, I will conquer. I will conquer. So let's see what we got. So it's a Luna eyeshadow. So this one's kind of like it's called Juliet. Luna Juliet. And it looks like it's kind of got a shimmer to it, and it's like an earthy tone. Oh, I like that. It's kind of like a peachy, shimmery. Is that picking up? Yeah. Like a peachy, shimmery tone that's really, really pretty. And I really like, ooh, actually that would be beautiful even as like it's not really picking up. It's very bright in here. Sorry, I'm sitting by a window. That's really beautiful. I like that. It's like if you want a subtle sparkle like on your eyelid, I think that would be really pretty. And it seems like that's a color that would complement a lot of people. So next is City Color Contour Palette. So I don't know if it was BoxyCharm or if it was IPSY where we got the color correcting palette. Still not ventured out and used that. So this is a contour palette. So it has a highlight, bronzer, and a contour. So it goes highlight, bronzer, and contour. So yeah, okay. Give that a shot. And then, okay, so 3 more things. So the next is by Real Chemistry, a fresh start foaming cleanser. Let's see, it deep cleans with amino acids in a non-drying foaming cleanser. So actually I'm going to the Super Bowl in a couple of weeks. So I'm super excited about that. So I will be going to Minnesota, which I've never been. Minneapolis, right? Minnesota. Please tell me I'm good with geography. Doesn't really have a scent or anything. So this will be great as like a face wash to go to the Super Bowl. So I'm excited about that. So if anybody's ever been to Minneapolis, please tell me what to do, especially in January or February when it's ice cold and freezing. So I don't know what to wear. I don't know anything like that. So yeah. So this is called So Susan Cosmetics. It's a liquid matte long wear lipstick in the color pumpkin. This is totally a beautiful, beautiful color. I like that. So today I'm wearing kind of like a pinkier color. But usually I stay within like a neutral palette. Every once in a while I'll wear a pop of like red, or like, I'm definitely more of the pinks. My cat is going to say hi. So yeah. Okay. So then this next one is the Ciate London Fierce Flicks. And this is, what is this? Oh, excuse my cat. She is eating her dry food, which is right here. I do really, really like the Ciate. I have one of their pencil liners. The color payoff is awesome. It is long wearing. It doesn't tend to transfer. I do have hooded eyes, and I usually get that transfer like on my upper lid. If I accidentally put too much like dark, it'll transfer up on the top. So let's see if I can even open this. I may not even be able to open this. Since I have a sewing project, this may come in handy. Just happen to be right next to my sewing machine. Use my thread cutter, my stitch remover, and that works perfect. Good to know for future. Okay, so let's see what this is. I'm assuming it's a liquid eyeliner, so we shall see. Let's see. Ooh, it is a liquid eyeliner, Ciate. It's got a really, really nice tip. Let's see how it works. Oh gosh, that is so opaque, the black, and it's so smooth. Oh man, I just bought a new liquid eyeliner yesterday. I mean, it was at Target, so it wasn't that expensive. But that was this month's bag. So that's really cute. That's for IPSY. Very cute. So now, let's go on to what I really came here for. My BoxyCharm. Okay. So as usual, hello Charmer. BoxyCharm, hashtag BoxyCharm. If you don't know, it's a subscription box, $21 a month, and you get like an obscene amount of like 4 to 5 full-size products, and they are always amazing. So it seems like Rock and Soul, Rock 2018 is what this year or this box is all about. So let's see what we get in this box. Ooh, it's all like glam. First thing I see, ooh, is the Luminizer, Pour No More's Luminizer Primer, the Base Luminaire by Dr. Brandt. I love Dr. Brandt's products. Let's see if it's gonna come. There we go. I love Dr. Brandt's products. And let's see how many ounces this is. It's 1 fluid ounce. And let's see, is it a pump? Nope, it's a squeeze. So that's exciting. I'm always down for trying a new primer. I've not committed to one. So let's see what they have to say. Dr. Brandt Pour No More Luminizer Primer. This itself, full size, $38. The Luminizer Primer delivers a natural, radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautiful, illuminated, flawless complexion. Who doesn't want that? I want that. Okay, so this next one is Glam Metals by Crown. I've only ever tried, and look at that, it kind of totally reminds me of like Total Metal stuff, like in the 80s, right? I've only ever tried the Crown brushes, which I really like. So let's see what this says. Glam Crown. So this palette is gonna retail for $25. It says rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metal Eyeshadows palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. So let's see what the colors are. So really, I love, okay, first of all, I love the cardboard magnetic eyeshadow palettes. It's just, the last few that I've gotten, like the Lorac Pro, I love, absolutely love. If there's ever a palette that anybody ever needs, you have to get the Morphe, the Jaclyn Hill, the collage palette that she did. Oh my god, it's the best. Ooh, and this one even has a mirror. This is awesome. Ooh, it's got like a guitar mirror, but look at these colors. Oh, that's gorgeous. Well, actually, the black matte. The black is the only matte one that you have. The rest are shimmers. Heavy Metal and Punk are kind of the similar. Punk's more gray, and then the Heavy Metal, actually, yeah, you can tell it's more of like a steel gray. It's really pretty. Let's see. Oh gosh, they're like super creamy. Oh, I like these. These are really pretty. They're exactly very blendable. Oh, and they're extremely pigmented. I don't know if that's showing up. Oh god, this is kind of hard lighting. I'm sorry. See the black. But I mean, you can see on my fingers. They're like, oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I cannot wait to get into this palette. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the next one is by IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. So I never really used to do my eyebrows because I have I don't have thick eyebrows, but if I don't trim the hairs, I could basically use a brow gel and I'm fine. So this is in universal taupe, but since I've started kind of filling them in a little bit more, I really feel like now I can't do it. I can't not do it. So, you know, I've gotten into that bad habit of doing my eyebrows. So I digress. IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. This retails for $24. Do you see what I'm talking about? There's nothing in here. The three things that we've gone through, this box costs $21 a month. And so far we've got $38, $25, and this is $24. I don't know how they do it. So, developed with plastic surgeons, IT Cosmetics #1 best-selling. Can you see my cat's back there? Okay. Developed with plastic surgeons, IT Cosmetics #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing biotin. Lecithin? I don't know. Saw palmetto, nettle, green tea, antioxidants, grape seed, vitamins A, B5, C, and E, plus proprietary brow power technology to give you your most beautiful natural looking brows, even if you have none at all. Plus, its universal transforming shade adjusts to all hair colors based on pressure. That's interesting. So I guess if you're blonde, you want to kind of do a lighter stroke, and if you're like a full brunette, then you go harder. Okay. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair, and it includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polished perfection. That sounds like this offers a lot. So let's see what we are working with here. Okay. So it is an oval-shaped tip. I don't know if you can see that. See, it's oval-shaped, and it's kind of a thicker tip. Ooh, this is really kind of cool. So if you can feather on the side of the oval, literally individual like hairs. It looks like individual hairs. Can you see that? I mean, that is like individual little itty bitty hairs, and it's, oh my gosh. Okay. Take my brows off today and I'm going to put on new brows. That's interesting. So I'm going to give that a try. And then of course it comes with a spoolie, you know, like every brow product should. Okay. 2 more things, ladies. So this is Pure, the Complexion Authority. This is the Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. So let's get this opened here because it's sealed. Quick tip. Oh my gosh. Tip of the day. If you have any issues getting these, if you have nails at all and you hate getting these like sticker things, this little tool is meant for sewing. So this thing, tip of the day. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Okay. So Pure Bronze and Brighten. There you go. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. So this says on the go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. Featuring Pure's fan favorite Afterglow Mineral Glow along with a new blush shade, Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. It retails for $34. OMG. Look at that. Those are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Holy pigment. Okay. Holy. Okay, they're all shimmer. So for me, I would never use a shimmery bronzer. I don't do that. Oops. a little too much, and there's no brush in this kit. Holy moly, I look like I was just in the Nutcracker. Okay, I'm gonna have to learn how to use this because this is extremely highly pigmented. Holy moly, like little goes a long way. It's too much. Okay, hold on, let's see if I can fix this. Oh, it blends out. So I think if you just did a super uber light light touch with your like highlighter contour brush, yeah, that looks better. That is amazing. Holy moly. Okay, next one. This is an awesome one. Okay, this is called, and I've never heard of this brand, it's called Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint, and it retails for $23. They hit it out the freaking park with this box. On one of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is true to its words. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or primer before application. Okay, so let's see. The color is Posh. Let's see what we got here. I love like the chandelier and everything on the box. It's like super girly. It's really cute. Is this upside down? Yeah, it's really cute. So, ooh, it's got this like matte packaging. It's really pretty. Plastic. Okay, so matte lip paint. This color is really pretty. Okay, look at that. Oh, it's very. It smells like. Does anybody use fondant, like marshmallow fondant? Oh my gosh, it smells exactly like marshmallow fondant. Look at how pretty that is with a nice, like you put this on and then you put like a nice shimmery gloss on. Oh my gosh. I wonder how long wearing this is. Okay, I am super excited about this box. It is amazing. It is amazing. Hopefully I will be more consistent about uploading stuff. So I have a Stitch Fix that is long overdue for the month of January. And I need to finish shooting that. I did the unboxing, but I didn't do anything else. So if I have time later this month, I will finish that. But if not, then maybe I'll just insert pictures of what I got for January in my February one. I don't know. We'll see. But I am so excited. I am so excited to play with my new little goodies that I got between my 2 subscriptions. These are my only beauty subscriptions that I have. So this is my fun one. My IPSY. It's $10 a month. It's awesome. And this is my absolute favorite, my BoxyCharm. So if you haven't tried it, you can use my referral link below. I earn charms where I can... If you sign up, I earn charms where they can ship me extra goodies. Like you go into the store, but I don't earn any money. I don't earn anything like that. I don't know if there's even an IPSY. Maybe there is. I don't know what I do with that. I don't think in neither one I get money, but it's totally worth trying. Love it, love it, love it. It's so much fun. You get to try different brands and everything like that. So anywho, I hope you're all having a wonderful new year and you had great holidays. I am sorry I've been MIA, but I do intend on shooting some more. So excuse the background here. I'm working in my office today. So this is where I decided to set up. So anyways, until next time, bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks. Bye.